accurate forecast in Central Texas. This is Fox 44 Weather with meteorologist Zavian Cologne. Weather-wise is brought to you by Centex Roof Systems, your hometown roofer.
Welcome to Weatherwise. I'm meteorologist Zavian Cologne. Hurricane season is ramping up with another disturbance in the Atlantic. Before things get really intense, let's learn about the structure of a hurricane. The circulation of the air is one of the key factors in creating a tropical storm. There needs to be rising air in motion within the thunderstorm, which allows the storm to spread out and expand. Sinking air helps to create the eye of the tropical storm. It starts with a high pressure system above the thunderstorm, which acts as a funnel towards the low pressure system directly below. The sinking air moves towards the low pressure system, which creates clear skies, also initiating the formation of the storm's center. While the sinking air moves towards the low pressure system, there is also rising air just outside of the center of the thunderstorm. The rising air gives the storm a larger shape and more energy to intensify. Now the air in the center of the storm is spinning inward and the rising air is spinning outward. This is when the tropical storm starts to take shape. Now flows are intensifying, causing the eye to create a tropical storm and become visible as intense winds circulate the center. Now we have a fully formed eye. A mature hurricane has been created. If you have any questions about hurricane structure or any other weather questions, email to me.
Go up towards the north, up towards the area you can see up towards Corsicana, up towards Gun Barrel City. Again, a whole lot of lightning is associated with these showers coming through the area and thunderstorms. Again, a lot of lightning is associated with that, so you can take a potential power hit. So again, these threats are going to be quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts coming through the area. Again, just severe, again, but still, we do have to be prepared when these showers come into the area. Again, working their way over towards the north and towards the east at around 35 to 45 miles an hour. Going a little bit behind that line of showers, we do also see a green box. That is a flash flood warning. It was until 6:30. Again, there's going to be a lot of rain associated with these showers that came through there. That's because we had those showers stick around for a little bit, and that's why they're stationary, and that's why we have a severe thunderstorm, or sorry, a flash flood warning in effect for Gulf Way over towards Hamilton as well. Going now to our severe thunderstorm watch is still in effect until 10 p.m. Again, large hail is the main factor, and damaging winds is also a factor as well. We're also going to go now to our sky camera. You can see again some showers, some clouds coming into the area. That is going to be just changing in a little bit as we're going to see those showers come into the area. Again, we're just to be cautious of that. Make sure in your safe spot. Again, all is quiet right now. Make sure you keep it here at Fox 44 News. We'll warn you first. Again, just make sure you're going to be doing like that. Fox 44 News will warn you first.
I'm meteorologist Zavian Cologne. With cooler temperatures setting in, we're now in the part of the season when Central Texas typically sees its first frost. So tonight we're breaking down how these cooler weather phenomena actually form. Let's start with radiational cooling, the key to everything we're talking about. During the day, the sun heats the ground and temperatures climb. But once the sun goes down, that heat escapes back into the atmosphere, and on a clear, calm night, the surface cools even faster. That's the foundation of radiational cooling. Now let's talk about dew. The process starts the same way, warm days followed by cooling nights. As temperatures drop, the air near the ground can fall into the low 40s, around 43 or 44 degrees. That's the point where the moisture in the air starts to condense. Once the cooling gets strong enough, that moisture settles onto surfaces, and when the air reaches about 40 degrees, that's when we see dew forming. Frost forms in a similar way, but with one key difference. The temperature has to drop to freezing. Overnight, the air just above the ground can get to very close to 32 degrees. When that cold air pushes moisture out and surface temperatures fall below freezing, that's moisture freezing, and that's when we see frost show up. So what about the roads? Will frost or dew make driving tricky? During the day, pavement heats up much more than grass, and even after sunset, it holds onto that warmth. That means pavement usually stays too warm for frost or dew to form, while grass cools much faster and can drop to that freezing point. So you may see frost on your lawn in the morning, but not on the road. If you have any other questions about radiational cooling, dew, or frost, or anything other weather related, send them my way and they may be answered next time to Weatherwise. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Zavian Cologne.